we capture it. This is just a good old brush. And I really want to get some paint on here, so here I go. I am going to, oh boy. It's black and it's stuck and I'm mucking up now. Okay, I'm not going to worry about it. Spray bottle, because we love the drips. All right. I'm just taking everything that was on my palette, but I'm gonna get my board a little wet because this is one of those, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I don't like it. Here we go. I'm going to, this is where my brain or creative process is going. I was enjoying that strip. Can I wipe away a little? Maybe. Can I come in here? No. Can I do this? Yes. Can I take a squeegee like you find in the showers where you go to the hardware store and you can pick up these squeegees? This one I'm noticing I'd have to take a razor blade to it every once in a while because it needs to be clean and smooth. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get what I want. Yeah, it's not clean, so it's making these uneven parallel lines. But that's okay. You can also take this. We're mucking up now. I love painting. See, you just sometimes when you start, even if it's a small piece, you can't take yourself that seriously. You just can't, because it doesn't allow for that child to come in. This is a fork. The takeaway. I'm not a big fan of this kind of pattern either. I'm not sure why. I think maybe what it is I know how it was done. I like it when I don't really know how it was done. So here's, what's this? This is this demo feels silly. Now when I have more of that going on, I'm not quite sure how it was done. So it actually holds my personal interests more. Huh. Don't forget the takeaway with the rags. All right. I'm working, so anybody out there in, oh, I collected, let's get some green for the green. I collected some, just sage from outside, and this is juniper, and I'm gonna use it for what's called flogging. They do this a lot when I used to work for the Portland Opera painting sets, and we would put things down on these big canvases on the ground. We'd map it out, and then we'd have chalk, and we'd come in with these big floggers. There we go. This is a good way to get some energy out. My assistant over here just got paint on. Somebody wanted to chime on in and ask me some questions? I'm gonna stay true and not use a brush. But what I do want to do is I want to even this all out and make it my ground because I'm just getting energy out. I'm just feeling where I'm at in the moment. And obviously I am in a interesting mood. So you can always, whatever you're doing, just to get yourself in, you can get rid of it. Sometimes it's just creating energy within your paintings themselves. Now I'm kind of liking this. Woo! And then remember the trick I showed you all before with the paper towels? Getting rid of some excess paint. Oh. Oh. I'm feeling a little feisty today. A little feisty. Okay. I like that, I'm keeping that. But then there's that idea, and I think I've said this before. If you find yourself painting around something, and you've done something that you like, and you're painting around it, and especially if it's an abstract painting, it's oftentimes what needs to go. And because you're becoming contrived, because you love one element of your painting, like I love that right now, but I'm still at the beginning stages where I don't need to get rid of it. But if I make my painting have a whole ground and I'm painting around this one aspect, it might need to go.